Okay, so now we have the landscape material that looks like this. So yeah, now let's do some modifications here. Let's promote these two parameters, metallic, specular, roughness, like this. And I think I need to tweak these variables a little bit because this landscape is a little too shiny for me. So the metallic value I'll keep it at, yeah, nothing is actually 0 usually, maybe 0.1. Spec is also 0.1 and roughness is 0.9. Right, now that shine is gone, it looks more like a landscape. Alright, so yeah, then I said I'm going to spawn foliage, sorry, not foliage, the grass. So to spawn grass, right, from these green areas, okay, so we need to have a grass output, landscape grass output, and for the grass type I'll use, yeah, I have created this grass type GT1. Actually, if you don't know about grass types, this is how you do it. Just right click here and under is the grass type. Right here, miscellaneous and landscape grass type. So create one and add plus here. You can assign a grass mesh here, just a static mesh, and you can set the grass density, and there are a bunch of other options here that you can change. Okay, so for now I'll delete this as I don't need it, and I'm gonna assign this grass type 1. In this grass type I have this grass with the density of 150, so I'll use it for the, I have already used it. Okay, now but still you don't see any grass here. That's because I haven't given any input here. So yeah, what I need to do is when there is green color on the ground, I need grass to spawn on those places. So let's use this because when the alpha is 1 I set this color, so in those places I can have the grass. So let's apply and see what happens. Right, now as you can see here, the grass is spawned in the places where the green is. See? Okay, that's better. Now you can see in some places grass is expanded to the brown area. That's because we don't have a sharp line between green and brown, so that's the reason. So if you want to limit it, what you have to do is here you can do something like a if branch, and then if this a is larger than maybe 0.5 or something, you can put any value you want. You can set the output to either 0, otherwise set to 1. So like that you can limit the threshold of the grass. Okay, so we have grass, and yeah, I don't really like this grass material because as you can see, even on the this is the same material I already had so far in this project. So as you can see here, for the wind, this grass root are also changing. Oh, the winter is coming. Okay, I forgot to disable that, the dynamic seasons. Okay, so right, so in the next episode I will work on this grass mesh. Sorry, not the grass mesh, the grass material. I need to improve it to support directional wind system that I have, that I want to develop. Yeah, let me show you some of the options we have with this grass type. So here I can increase the scale. Let's try increasing this. Oh, right. It's uniform, so that's why I couldn't change it. Maybe I should set it to free. Alright, this is better. So now with this one I can change the height of the grass. Right. Okay. So I'll stop this episode at this point, and in the next episode I'll work on optimizing this grass material. One more thing, you can also increase the density of this grass here. Let's try something like 600. Okay, more grass. This looks cool. Alright, I'll stop at this point. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. You will have access to my third person shooter series and also the source code of the project of the shooter and this project I am working on. And yeah, but please note that I won't include any assets that I don't have rights to share. So alright, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.